Hello, my name's AG and welcome to Space Engineers Survival, episode 16. Hi, welcome to episode 16, everybody, where we will, in this episode, build an amazing facility on the base, okay? Something that I think we need to protect us. Trust me, I'll find a way of justifying how we need this. But we're going to progressively carry on with the build. This episode is going to have drone facility, okay? We're going to have it on like a flight deck first of all, and when we progress we'll probably put it on the ground again in its own little hangars. That'd be quite cool, right? But in the meantime we'll make up a little platform and build some drones just as defense, right? Defending's fun. We don't want to die, so that's what we're going to be doing. So first of all, grab out some plate and let's build a platform. We're going to think about building it just in front of the power tower. The power tower. In the previous episode, so at least that's giving us some power. Actually, what kind of power is it giving us? Also, on a daily occurrence, we need to try and collect all the food, otherwise we'll die. So let's get that and then make them into crispies. We like crispies because it gives us food. The front of this base needs to be sorted out as well. Look, what I might try and do is do cosmetic-y stuff off camera, maybe. I think we're getting to that point, maybe. I don't know. Let me know down below. Let me know down below what you think I should do. If you liked watching me just building stuff, then carry on. Then I'll carry on, basically. But what I want to do eventually is make the front of this base accessible to rovers, and then potentially have like bridges and stuff, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Is it even worth it? I don't know. Maybe we should just go to space. Let's get space. Space. So the power's doing pretty well. Solar's giving out a lot of power actually. Solar, look at that. 1.2 megawatts. That's quite good. It's not bad for solars, I think. Turbines are giving a 3.5, which is also very good. And that looks like it's optimized as well, right? I think that's what it means. And then we got total of 4 hours till the batteries are charged, which is great. In terms of ingots and ores, we don't have any ores really. Ingots are there still, not very much, but they're still there. Magnesium, we got a fair amount of all stuff. Platinum, uranium, obviously nothing. These things aren't on the planet. Okay, here we go. Right, let's get some plate and start smashing this up. We don't need interior plate, all that. We do need to fill up our bottles, which we'll do now. Okay. Nice. Done. Sweet. Okay, so the plan I want from here. Let's have a little look. Let me just give myself 2 seconds to just think about the plan. Okay, first things first, I want to get rid of this stuff here. It's just in the way. So let's cut this down. Put this down as well.
Inventory full.
Brilliant. My inventory is really, really poor, but never mind, we'll just have to deal with it. I'd like to just bring this back again without painting the whole base. So let's add this down as
energy low.
I quite like the look of the battered armor, to be honest. So we'll continue with battered armor up the top. So that can continue over here. Let me just replenish my energy over here. I need to have a refill station on top as well. Okay, lots of things to do. Collect my crisps. Lovely. 15 bags. That'll do for today. Yum. Now, what we'll do, we'll get some plate again. The back end of this platform, I would like to have a main part of the base. You know what I mean? It needs to be quite a prominent part. So let me just fill this up first so we don't forget this. Otherwise we'll build on top of it and forget about it. Let's build this up. We may need to go and get some iron soonish. Someone said about putting something in this hole. We will. So it's a shame it's in the dead center of the actual of the platform down below. But we'll see if we can put like stairs going down there. Right, so this is the platform. We'll have, I think what we'll do is have a wireframe just to reserve an area where I want to build later for primary what's it called, flight deck, flight control tower, flight tower. So how tall is this tower? Let's go 1 2 3 4 high, I think. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Make it symmetrical, so let's say G. I wouldn't mind having it symmetrical to the power tower. So what's that? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 in the middle. Yeah, I think we need to have it a little bit. I want 3 in the middle, really. Looks better that way. Let's have it here. There you go, 3 in the middle. 1 2 3. So the middle part's gonna be the door, right? That's the door. Good. We'll have some fancy stuff as well on top of it, but we'll just want to simulate how tall this will be. So 1 2 3. 1 at the top, 4. Nice. Okay. All right. How far back do we want this to be? Probably about the same, I should think, or a little bit longer. Elongated. 1 2. Probably about 8 there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. About 8. Then we'll drop it down just for now, so it doesn't get attacked, blown up. All right. The feet on the snow always scares me. It's quite loud in my ears. So that's that. We'll bring that over as well. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Bring it down. Sweet. It's gonna come across quite well. It's basically gonna be pretty good. I can't wait. So that's that. So basically going to drop down the back here, and we need to flatten this all out. Really, and I guess this could be the platform as well. It's a shame to flatten it out, but we'll work with it. We'll work with it. So it needs to come down anyway from there. Should be relatively big as well. So we'll come out again, probably the same width as the other platform. Is that actually the right size? It is, I think. 1 2. That's about 3, isn't it? 1 2 3. Yes. Is it 3 this side? 1 2 3. Yes. So it has to be the same width as this platform here. So we'll do that. Onto there. That's that width there. It's starting to rain or snow or something like that. If it's a storm, it does tend to. There it goes. It does tend to hit me with chunks of ice, which is nice. I thank you for that. Chunks of ice. It's not symmetrical. People are going to get angry with that. I think this will come up from here, wasn't it? That was a bit of a mistake. So it comes up from here and goes along. There you go. Avoid that block. And then this can be chopped out. There you go. Bring that across like that. There you go. So this is what it looks like right now. We can eat some more crisps. Can we? Yes, we can. Eat more crispies. Right. Let's bring this out from here as far across as we can. And that's, this side needs to be the same. It'll have to come from here. There we are. Keep getting hit by ice. That's our platform. Let's put the floor down. It needs to be quite solid. I don't know how big the we've got this massive floor, haven't we? Let's have a look. So G menu, type in floor. This huge floor slab. I don't know how strong that is. Hangers and platforms. Oh, I don't know how strong it is, but we'll build it. Just don't know how strong it is. Oh, I've built one inside here, haven't I? Let's see what the integrity is of it. Without dying all the time. Here we go. So there's one here. So integrity here is 19,000. How am I getting hit? I'm inside the building. Oh no. Is this happening? Just have a little look. I understand there's holes up there, but we're not holes down here. I'm guessing that the weather still goes through the planet, through the. It can't do. You can't go through buildings. That's ridiculous. That's 19,000. Each one of these blocks are 2,500. So it works as one big lump. So I don't mind that. Let's have that. So that goes on here. Need interior plate, it's fine. Slap it in. We'll do it there. And is there enough room there for that? Yeah, there is. Good. Excellent. Cool. Let's fill these up. Loads and loads of stuff needed for this. So I had everything. Oh my god. Okay, we need 3 more interior plate. Right. Let's make this up. That's nice. It's dangerous out here. I'm getting hit. I'm down at 84. What you say percent? It's not anymore. I'm 84 health. I'm going to hit. Hits hard. Right click that. I'm going to right click over here. And then right click this one. Let's just build these up, boys. This one's done. Love it. I need a connector up here and a refill station. That's what I need. Probably low on construction components. I don't know. Let's find out. I think what I'll do, I'll come back when this is all built. Again, ow. I keep asking, but I'm always a bit concerned. Do you guys want to watch me weld? Comment down below if you do.
Your
Ow.
health is low.
Health is actually low. I'm dying here. I'm going to die from chunks of ice. That's done. This is why it's very important to build ships underground, right? Okay, so now with that, I don't have any steel plate, so I need to get some of that. Get some more of this. I'll put steel plate down the middle. Perfect. Right, I'll be right back when I weld this all up. It's a real shame that I built the power tower off center. Real shame. Never mind. Never mind. We could even make it thicker, or make it thicker, guys, and then it'll be fine. But you know, not important right now. Let's carry on with this. I think what I'll do is I'll make it symmetrical to the tower. I think. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll make the whole thing symmetrical to the tower rather than the front part, because that all could change as well. You know. Let's have a look at the yeah. Because if you look at the entrance to the underground, it's actually symmetrical to the tower. So if we just keep the tower symmetrical, then it should look good. Okay, let's carry on. Right, so let's make this a little bit wider. And we could just have a big slab again. Does it need a big slab? No, it doesn't. Let's keep it. So if that's the middle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's symmetrical now. Get that to there. Perfecto. Let's put these blocks in. Lovely jubbly. Excellent. Right, now this should be... There you go. So it's symmetrical to the tower. Good. I just need to recharge my hydrogen tanks. Let's just grab a tank in here. Fill up my tanks. Nice. And have some food. Cool. Now it's 100% food now, which is great. Oh, whoa. I haven't got my bottles. What the hell? What the hell? Just picked up the bottles, haven't I? Come on. Are you joking? You can't get it from there. You can put it in, but you can't take it out. What the hell? Did not know that. Did not know that. Right. Onwards. The snow has stopped, so I won't get damaged anymore. Fantastic. Let's build up a little staircase up to here. Probably just want stairs, right? But these ones, they're quite steep. Construction components, of course. Construction components. 100 of those. Bring them down. There you go. We're going down all the way, don't we? Couple. Do we? Do we? This is white. We should really keep this white. Keep it white. Keep it in uniform, guys. There you go. Paint them white. Go down. There you go. That's the steepest I'm going to go, I think. Yeah. Dig this out a little bit. Ow. Brilliant. Just need to get some more out of here. Excellent, excellent. Pick up all the mess I've just made. Nice. Put them down again. Awesome. And now we have that underneath. Put these two down here, and then we can just connect. I think we need one more step, don't we? Let's just do it on top here. Oh, I want it there. Come on, dig a bit more here. We put a couple more blocks here, and then we can put the stairs on. There we go. Perfect. And we can now connect that up with cats I think we'll probably put cats on there. A couple of cats. Some might say bread cats. So we'll have that on the side there. There you go. Perfecto. Spin that round. Excellent. Right. We'll weld up in a minute, but we'll have a little bit more of a barrier going down here. So we'll have a block there, a block there. We'll bring this down. Oh, it's the same size as these, so it have to come down this steep, like that. Which is fine, because if you spin it around, it make it look cool. I'm all about it making it look cool. Do you know what I mean? I don't want blocks. Square blocks. Try not to do that, really. There you go. Spin that round. Make that into a block there. And then we'll put it back to slopes. Excellent. Okay. Right, we'll just weld this up then. 3, 2, 1. Now, I just think if I put on a couple of gun nests here, then it's all good for the defense, right? I don't think we've got enough guns. The more guns we have, I'm sure we'll get more attacks. But we need to have guns to defend ourselves. So let's dig this down a little bit. I hope I don't come across massive holes like I made last time. That would be a disaster. So we just get down here anyway to connect a block underneath like that. If we build a block there, and then we'll have to have a conveyor block, conveyor junction that will sit there. All right, we'll do the same on the other side. Oh no, it won't sit there. Oh, that won't work. Just come out again, and then a conveyor junction, and then it will sit there. Perfect. Let's put blocks here as well. Junction there. Excellent. Weld this up. This one. This one. Good. There's another storm coming. I can hear the wind picking up. Brilliant. Now, if we've got enough, if we have enough plates on me, I'd like to have gat turrets. Rockets? No, gat turrets. Keep the gat turrets going, I think. Need steel plate for that. Lovely. Get some steel plate again. Might have to go mining soon. Might have to go mining. Okay. Does it sit well? Does it sit well? Should I use the MCRNs? These are cool. These are very cool, and they're doable. So this is what they look like. If you didn't know already. There you go. If I put them in place somehow, how do I do it? Not that. Transparency. No. Air tightness. You hold it somehow. What is it? There you go. Freeze placement. Nice. Let's get rid of the transparency. So yes, it looks like that. So the block there kind of disappears underground, and that goes in. Oh, that's so good. But you need to turn it on. I think we'll do that. It has a little connection underneath, so we'll have to go one more block down, which is fine. I'm happy with that.
Inventory full.
Oh. I just lost my. Oh no, that's a nightmare. That's a nightmare. That's underground. That's lost. Let's just put this back in here. Get rid of both of those. Right, let's dig down. Hopefully we don't say hello to the ceiling of the base underneath. Yeah, dig down to there. Put a block there. Weld it up. Then we'll have a connector. Sorry, a conveyor. Oh. Plates done. Bring this over here. Right, we're putting this there. There's my conveyor. I need to build that as well. We'll have enough stuff for 2 of them. Do the same over here. Dig down. Block here. Weld it up. And then a conveyor. There. Right, let's get the stuff for the conveyors. Should be enough of those. One there, and then the other one here. Perfect. The good thing about space engineers as well is that all this terrain, the voxels, you don't have to get them all out of the way. It doesn't matter that it's overhanging. It's really good. So now, PDCs, sorry. Go here. Steel plate needed. Got enough just. Right, we'll stick that there. Okay. Now, which one do I need? That one. Right, these all sides. Yeah. This one looks good. There. And that one goes there. Once it's built, I'll show you how it works. It looks really, really cool. So basically, they're like jack-in-the-boxes. They just go in. There's no controller button, unfortunately. We need to have something with a controller button.
Energy low.
Let's make a control here, just so I can show you. That's a tube. Control button anywhere? Jeez, I need to get a connector up here soon. Right, we'll build this one up as well. Now, this is the party trick. PDCs, make them as a block, as a group at the moment. Nice, save. Now, if you turn them off, they retract into little boxes. And if you turn them back on again, they come out. How cool is that? And for ships, that's amazing. Because how many times have you guys built a ship? You think, oh, the guns are making it look a little bit, yeah, you want it flush. These, next level. Next level. Let's turn them off right now so they're hidden. So basically, when something comes along, you've got to turn them on. So I'll go make that look pretty off camera. But the main task today, as you know, drones. Let's get these drones sorted out. Alright, so what I've done here, I put a little advanced rotor down below. Now, someone told me, let me just have a look quickly. Yeah, Morbin. Thank you so much, Morbin, again. Telling me that to add a small rotor head, you just go into the rotor, right? And oh, which one is it? I think it's this one. I think it's this one. And you just add small head. That's ridiculous. Do you know that wasn't always there, was it? And I'm talking years ago, probably. So the things you learn when you play this game years ago to what you do nowadays is crazy. They make a game, right? A cool game, and then they open it up to mods, and then they say, oh yeah, that mod's pretty good. Yeah. Or we need that, and they just stick it in. It's amazing. Just need steel tubes. Get some steel tubes. We need to also sort out that food as well. A better system for the food. I mean, it's fine there because, as I say, the sun always goes from there to there. So we've always got sun to the left side. But it needs to look better than that. Because it's well in the way, isn't it? Reavers can come along and just destroy it out in one go. Right, so we've got that in place. Now, we're going to have little tubes. And I hate it when people use conveyor junctions for everything. So I'll try not to do that. Unless you have to. You don't have to do it here. Make a couple of tubes. Okay, so it's up. Oh, we need to share inertia, don't we? And lock it. Otherwise, it go crazy. It go crazy. There you go. I hate how it makes a noise thinking it's moving around. Oh god, it's still moving though. It's quite nerve-wracking. Okay, now we can probably put a conveyor block in, just in case we need to connect it to anything else. Small conveyor. God damn it. Alright, connect this up to that. Sweet. Okay, right. Now, what I'd like to do is have a welder. I'm going to put two welders either side here and see if they work. Oh, a type 2 welder. Oh, one there and one there. Perfect. Looks quite cool. Hopefully they'll build whatever's in front of them. Let's just build these up. Got it. I have to go mining soon. I'm running a bit low on resources, but we've got some things here, fortunately. That's there. Oh, it's a little bit... Never mind. I thought it looked like the other way around. I thought it looked better than that. I thought it looked like the ends point into the middle. But they don't, so it's fine. They're not on either, are they? Let's make sure they're not on. No, they're off. Good. Okay, so now we start building a little drone. Little fighter drone. We shall need... What should we need? A connector. Small connector. There. There it is. Okay. Steel plate. Right, let's get some stuff together. Sergi, what the hell? Steel plate. Interior plate. Some of that. Is it snowing again? Oh, it's gonna get cold. Energy. Low energy. Okay, fine. Right. I'm just doing this on the fly, basically. I've never done this before. So connector there. Does it need a connector there? Yes. Yes, it does. Now we have a merge block. Right? Merge block. Oh, is there not a small merge block? Yes, there is. Small merge block. That sits on top. Sweet. Write that down. We'll put that there. And the connector. Wherever I put it. Small connector. Here. There you go. Perfect. Right, let's put these up. Right, we'll weld these up now. Perfect. Okay, right. That's our solid drone making facility. Now, once I get a little bit better at this, then, you know, it can be underground and looking better. But right now, I'm still learning. So there you go. Normally, we'll just put a projector on there. We'll put a little projector on there, like that. I used to have to do this. Where is it? Mounting ports. And it tells you on there, right? Up, right, down, forward. But now it says it actually on the projector, which is good. So you want to have up. What is up then? That. Is that up?
Energy low.
Let's just check. Forward. Forward is up, right? What? That's right. That's up. Forward. Forward. There we go. Up. Right. Forward. Good. That's the right way around. If you turn it off, place it, and weld it. Just gotta get some energy. Just realised there's a point up here, isn't there? Idiot. Put one up here, especially. For energy, and it's really quick. Oh, shut these doors. It's a bit cold in there. Don't think it matters. There's also a mod to shut doors, but I might just use a timer block to shut doors automatically. Right. Need to get that. So let's go get it. I love working with small blocks because it just don't require too much materials. Okay, that's that there. Now we're all sorted. That's sorted for the future, right? The future of drone production is right here. So let's make a little drone quickly. We'll have to have a brace until we get a. Oh, you coming to just about here. Thank God. We have to make a little brace with a connector, a merge connector. Merge connector? Am I saying the right thing? Nobody knows. That goes there. Merge block goes there. Sweet. And then we have I want just atmospherics at the moment. I don't have anything special because it needs to be very, very small. So all that needs to be done is a block like that and a connector. Where is... Do I keep taking that away? It's so frustrating. I don't need them anymore. Okay, and then that goes there. Sweet. And that's basically... If I just weld up the parts that I need to have... There you go. I think. And then we're sorted, aren't we? We need to have this built up really so we can connect all the merge block. Let's build the merge block. The merge block. Merge block. Build that up so we can get it locked in place. There you go. So now we can take away this. Not necessary. Not necessary. Right, cool. Excellent. Does this work, by the way? Let's see. It does. No idea how it managed to weld block. Does it have a steel plate in it? That's crazy. I don't understand that. Oh yeah, it already... idiot. It had a block already, didn't it? Silly Billy. So yeah, of course it's going to weld it up. Right. That is the insect connector. We'll build that as well, I think. Right. So how many blocks can we do here? Oh, we can get all the way across now. This is good. This is good. So if we just do a basic fightery block. Alright, we need to have some AI stuff. Need basic task. And we need fight. Get rid of these. Basic task and fight. Defensive combat. Or not, maybe not have fight. Maybe have defensive. It's not fight, it's flight. So stupid. So stupid. We don't want basic, we want flight. Idiot. Flight and defensive. Cool. We got that. So you want... These are meant to be... Oh, I never knew that. It's got a little F to it. We stop rotating. It's so difficult. Oh my god. This one thing I really hate about this is that when you press home, end, delete, it doesn't matter which way around you do it. It's different every time you look at it. Really, really annoying. That's left, that's right, and I guess that's forward. You got little arrows on it. Yes. Good. That's there. Perfect. And then we need a defensive one. Signal. I don't think this matters which way around it goes. I'm sure there is. Okay, there are. Yeah. Okay, we'll put it that way as well. Fine. Cool. They're the two blocks. They're the two most important blocks. Then you need some batteries. I'm quite happy to have small batteries. How big is a large battery on this? It's quite big, isn't it? It's quite large. I don't want the drone to be that big because I want it to be a bit of a throwaway one until I know what's going on. So I'll just load up the second bay here with batteries. And then we can have the ions, atmospherics. We'll have 2 facing forward, 2 facing back. Actually, you need to get rid of that. Actually, there you go. There. Put one there, and then put one there, and then we've got the 2 front and back here. Up and down, sorry. Up and down. Then left and rights can be stuck at the back. We want most things at the back because let's stay there. Battery, yeah, well, I want most things at the back because it's going to get attacked at the front. So that's my main. It was like Mark 1 of this design. All right, so you got up, down, left, right, front and back. Probably do it at the side as well. Oh no, oh, hydrogen's low. Oh, I get some hydrogen. Might as well eat some crisps over here. Right, another right and left there. Good, good. Now, gyros again. Let's keep them at the back. Otherwise, they're just going to get shot out. I want them to have good. But also the batteries. I want them to have good turning rate. So we'll have 2 of those, and then we'll have at the front. We'll have cargo for. Just very small cargo all the way along the back here. 1, 2, like that, and then we'll have conveyor, small conveyor, and then we'll have guns. We'll just use GATs for now, like that. 2 GATs. I don't expect it to last very long. You got 2 GATs. You could actually have another one, like 4 GATs. It could be just look at this. This is. I mean, it doesn't look amazing. It's just a drone with 4 GATs on it. Look at that. I don't know how much it can actually store. I think that's all it needs, really, isn't it? I think mission complete. Next up, what we'll do is we'll plumb this up to the base and see if the welders work, and then we'll blueprint the fighter. Okay, weld these up. Nice, nice, nice. 3 conveyors at the bottom, just in case I need to go a little bit other directions. Future-proof that a little bit. I'm gonna get rid of everything in my inventory and suck out some more. And then get these welded up, and then we need to find out the nearest point to plumb to. I might just get it to like literally the nearest point, just so I can get it working and work with that. Oh, this has been bothering me for a little bit. It's been hanging around. Get it fixed. Right. There's nothing here. At the base, it's all underground, so I could just pop up from underground. I could do. Well, no, there isn't anything. Oh, there isn't anything. Maybe there should be. Okay, maybe I'll drill down and connect to one of these refineries. Yeah, maybe there should be a little connector. So I'll dig down. Dig down here. It's quite far. Okay, we're quite far away, but we can have a connection here. Not a problem. Let's have some tubing. This is where I like keen to actually have the long tubes. I like those. Right, let's have a junction here, and then let's bring that down. And I quite like the sorter blocks because it has a kind of a bracket to it, like that, so it looks cool. I don't know whether that's going to work or not. It looks good because it's got a little bracket to it. Oh, these don't have a connection here. That's annoying. Let's have it all the way down the bottom then. Fine, whatever. Bring it down to the bottom. Clear this out a little bit. What's this? Got a sorter block there. Let's just tap into this. A T-junction. Bend it around here. And bend it into there. Sweet. Alright, I'm just going to weld this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's now plumbed into the base. Let me show you how it looks. It's just, well, just weld it up basically. So we've got this tubing now, which is cool because it's the same height as the ceiling, which is fine. This is my sorter. I wanted it to be connected to the ice, but it's obviously not. That's fine. We can just have a is there scaffolding? There is. Is there a cool looking scaffolding? Oh, it's walkable scaffold. That's quite cool. There's loads of things to do, you know. Oh, it looks really good. So we'll have, what's this one look like? Need a girder. Oh god, let's just do it because it looks better. Just because it looks better. Then you have like a scaffold here. There's a lot of girders for that, you know. I mean, it looks okay. It's not amazing, but at least it looks like it's not just a floating pipe. You know what I mean? Right. Okay. Also, I thought that was a Reaver. It's not. It's a strike corvette. That ship that's over there as well, broken, probably still there. Need to probably might attack that next episode, I think. Right, what we'll do is we'll have a button with the fancy sci-fi buttons. We'll use those. We'll put them here like that. If only we had a connection to the base here. We don't still. I know we have just piped it up, but there's no connection, is there? Don't have any displays. Okay, we'll make some displays. First time I built anything for ages. Okay, we got that. That's sweet. All right, up here, let's build this. Excellent. Right, now let's set up groups. I've got welders. Well, they're not on groups. Okay, fine. Let's group them up then, shall we? Obviously, just name them welders. Group them in. Welders on off. Sweet. You can actually change the pictures to these as well. They look pretty cool. So we can go down here and change the picture. We're gonna have that as danger. Yeah, danger. It's a danger sign. Excellent. Right, let's turn it on. See if it works. It does. Let's go. Build it. See if we've got enough stuff on the base for this. And we're lacking in something, I think. Let's see what we're lacking in. Turn it off. We can't get to that one, unfortunately. Metal grid. Metal grid. You can't get to the dead center one, which is a bit annoying because that's needed, isn't it? I thought it can go 3 blocks. Obviously not. Okay, let's build some metal grids and see if it does it. Build 100 metal grids. Hopefully we've got enough for this. Yeah, we do. Sweet. We'll turn it back on again. Get them built up. Thrusters are online. This is great. I love watching this. Okay, so it's done all the front. It's done nearly the back. Okay, it's got some more stuff. Thrusters online. Yes, here we go. It's just the dead center stuff. Oh, it's so annoying. Oh, so close. Maybe if I just make another one, another welder here, it'll do the one in the middle. And then we're done. Right, let's turn the welders off, otherwise we'll die. Sheer power of the welder. Let's just cut this away. Put another welder in. Make sure it's the right way around. Everything was moving then. That's so scary when everything moves, you know. And that's done. Need to get it plumbed in. This is why you preempt your connections. On a pipe. 5 motors. We're out of motors now. Okay, things are starting to get a little bit low. Okay, motors are successfully withdrawn. Plumb that in, and then we can add that welder to our group. Save. Now we can turn them on. It's doing this. Does it do this side as well? It doesn't do this side. Just fine. Why is that so? Oh. Yeah, I know why. Right, okay, that means I have to do another weld on this side. And put that somewhere else, I think. Turn it off. Turn the atmospherics off. The nano batteries? Small batteries here. They're only recharging in 6 minutes, that's good. Right, well, I'll just build this myself then. Which is just the cargo container and the atmospheric thruster. What is in the middle there? Has that been built? I'm guessing not. Let's check it out. Should be the AI blocks in the middle, I think. Both AI blocks are not built. Incomplete. What are they incomplete for? I might have to take this thruster off for the time being. Okay, detector components. Fine, we can build those. I think. Yes, building those, good. And we'll build the thruster myself. Cool. Resources collected, and we're all done. This is my first ever drone. I need to turn that thruster off. Okay. Then turn these on. Got those 2 AI blocks up. Nice. Need a. There we go. We don't need a control. What's this? Oh, I haven't built this yet. Okay, build that. And then what we'll do, we'll change the button position to go further back, and then put the welder in there, and then we're done. So this printer, as such, just needs 4 welders. It's a small drone. We could put some defensive blocks around it, but it should be alright. Okay, next up, I'm kind of in no man's land right now. No idea what I'm doing. So, I guess we have to detach it. So, we'll put the thrusters on again. We'll have the AI blocks working. So the move, let's have a look. AI behavior on. Need that on. Precision move. Right, precision mode ensures the grid will reach the exact waypoint location. Additionally, it forces the grid to fully rotate towards the next waypoint before it can accelerate. This greatly slows down the autopilot's movement, and is only recommended to be used in cases of where precise movement is required. Docking sequence. I see. Okay. Don't want it to dock just yet. Speed limit. You want that? Oh, 350. This is going to be such a fast little drone. Minimum altitude. So you want it to go down. I mean, what's the altitude to us now? 10. I mean, it's got a good little thrusters there, hasn't it? You might die, basically. AI. Okay, assigned to planet gravity. Yes. Match. Don't worry about those. Right, that's all sorted. That's set. No movement input. Add task or combat. We've got defensive combat. We'll have that. Defensive combat when... Where is it? Keep it off for a minute. Enemies... Subsystems. We want to go for weapons or power. Power makes it... Weapons, it takes ages for weapons to go down. If you aim for power... No, we'll keep weapons. Lock target. Target lock grids that meet above conditions. Target characters? No. Flee trigger? Yes. Never, actually. What's this? What's this? What's this? First slot triggers when the enemy is detected. Second slot triggers when enemy is no longer detected. Okay, we've got loads of things to do. This is bigger than I thought it would be. Flee back to GPS position. Flee to hydrogen base. We don't want it to crash. It won't crash. Evasive maneuvers. Yep. Lock renaming controls. Okay, that's the other mod, isn't it? The distance is selected waypoint. The grid should be consider it to be reached. 100. 100, I think. Where's the one that you avoid hitting people? Avoid hitting the grid. Is that on the flight one? Collision avoidance. There you go. We don't want that. Sweet. Right, what we do need to build on there actually is a remote. Just in case this goes rogue. And we'll stick it on the back here. Once we know it's all sorted, we'll disconnect this. Just want it off the printer first. Get it off the printer. We'll have a control here so we can get to it. Oh, it needs an antenna. And a camera. Oh god. It needs loads of things, doesn't it? And stick that at the back. And a camera, and that's it. Right, that's it. Camera at the front. Right. Camera, that. Let's get some bits for that. And then this drone's done, right? It's a long episode. I'm so sorry, guys. If you've managed to get this far, thank you so much. Make sure you smash that like button. We can build it, thank God. I mean, one more radio components. Oh no, we're too full. Build that up. Camera, done. Build that up so we can actually control it, just in case. It's still not very, expensive. Not really. Not very expensive. But it's got no defenses, as in no plate. So we might have to make it look into a nice little drone, which means we need more welders. I'll look into that later. But let's just see if we can get out of here first. Control block. The control station here. Get some displays. And then that one's done as well. And then we'll have to sort out somewhere for it to dock. To power up, because it's not going to dock on the printer. So we'll have to put it over here. Now I wish I didn't have these massive like slabs now. Oh well. We'll stick it here for now. Oh no, will we? Will we stick it somewhere where there's close to a pipe? I mean, we're going to plumb up these PDCs anyway, so, and it's not difficult to put a pipe over here. Let's just put it here for now. Connector, small connector. Sweet. Now we're going to plumb that up over here. Right, get some pipes again. Bang, 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 bang. Put them in. Sweet. And then we're going to have this up here. Probably going to need to have multiple junctions from here. I'll just weld these up. Excellent. I'm just going to save it because things may go wrong. It's a long episode, so I don't want it to just break and die. Right. Controller. There is an antenna on the base, thank God. Let's make sure the antenna is set to max. 5,000, 50,000. Oh God. Let's do 10. 10,000. Just 10 kilometers. And then this one here. Set this to 10 as well. Max range. Everything's on. Antenna dish here as well. So many antennas. Okay, fine. Remote control access. We need to rename this now. We're going to call it just Fighter. Fighter 1. Remote access. No, it's Fighter 1. Fighter 1. Fighter 1. How do you do it? I thought it was just Fighter... Fighter 1. The hell? Okay, put a camera on. Okay, merge block. Set this up now. Merge block off. And then we want the connector. This one's be switch locked. It's unlocked. Switch lock. Ready to lock. Have I not locked it? I think I did. I locked it, never mind. Hopefully that's enough. Remote control. Why is it not taking off? Oh my god. Okay, AI I think needs to be turned off, right? Yeah. Oh, for... What happened? What happened? What happened? I'm not having that. Why did it blow up? Are the thrusters doing damage? Oh, well, hold on 1 second. Okay, what happened is I had the batteries on recharge, stupidly. So we need to, oh my god, fully rebuild all that, unfortunately. Disconnect that. Fire is locked. I think it needs more batteries. It's not enough power. Okay, let's stick another battery on there. I thought I had enough batteries. Were they not all on? They're all on. Maybe we just bite the bullet and get the battery, you know? Right, nano battery. Small battery. Let's put some more batteries on there. Okay, we've got the batteries on now. Now we can... Oh, it's still a bit heavy. Still a bit heavy. Right, it's over there. I just can't... Let me get out my seat. Run over there for a second. We just need to make sure everything is legit. Nothing is not built, which is good. Then need to blueprint it. Fighter 1. We name that to drone. Fighter drone 1. I do. That's our basic fighter. What's that? Is that the... Oh, it's a connector. All off and charging. Has it got any ammo in it? No. Can I get ammo? No. Why not? Oh, we're not plumbed in. Okay, fine. We need to manually get ammo into that. Oh, look at this. Just blew up. Oh. We'll fix that in a second. No worries. Let's get some ammo in here. Otherwise, you know, we've got a drone with no ammo in it. Gatling. You get hit by chunks of rock. Alright, in here. Okay, right. They're kind of full. Kinda. We'll make some more. We'll make some more.
Health low.
Right, I think I might end this video here. Okay, we've built the drone. The meat of it's been done. It needs to be a little bit more defended, more power. I might have to slap a big battery on it, I think, or find some uranium, ideally. But otherwise, that's been done. Amazing. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, guys, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next video. But in the next video, we'll be doing something else. I might finish off this base at the front as well, and have the drone bay maybe underground. If you've got any tips about the drone, let me know. I think this is basically the base of it. It needs more power, basically. But the more batteries you put in it, the more thrusters you need. It's just, I don't want it so heavy. So if there's anything there to lighten the load, that'd be great. And then we'll stick some flashy little light blocks on there to make it look a bit better. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next video. So goodbye. Oh, it's getting a hit. Goodbye.